Hello, everybody. Oh, wow, I'm looking very washed out here. I don't know why I'm looking so washed out. Maybe I need to put something white up near my face here. Hello to all of you. Hello on our 3 Life Essentials brand page. Maybe I'll just hold this water bottle up here the whole time. Hello to all of our BOGOers in our VIP BOGO group. Check out the sparkles on that. Wait till you see where the good sparkles need to go. Okay. So hello to all of you guys. I'm just gonna have to keep doing this. I think. I don't know why I'm looking so washed out there. Let me see if I can fix that some. Maybe I'll just hold my hand up here. Maybe I can move this down somewhere. Does that help at all? Oh, look, I think that helped. Maybe some. Okay. Hey, everybody. Okay, so unless you've been hiding under a rock, you may have not heard that doTERRA is surprised us with BOGO deals all week long again this week. And today's BOGO is buy one, get one, buy one on guard. Look at the bling there on that. Those of you guys who are in our BOGO group, look at that. Buy one bottle of doTERRA's On Guard Protective Blend, and you get a Breathe respiratory blend for free. And this is, I think it's $42.67 retail, $32 wholesale, $32 wholesale price for, these are normally wholesale about $52 total. So a whole $20 of savings in these two, and these are staples in our home. Now, those of you who already have, those of you who are of the 6 million plus users that have these already in your home, maybe you're out or you're wanting to stock up on these, you can order up to 5 of these on your account. Now, why do I even care about On Guard? If you're wanting ways to your kids to stay healthy when they go into those germ-filled places, anybody? Is that you? Or how many of you are just wanting to stay well this winter season? I know that's for me, for us. I'm so excited personally about these BOGOs because I'm planning on, we use the On Guard actually much more frequently now than even when before we lived in our fifth wheel traveling full time. Those of you maybe who don't know us, maybe you're new to the BOGO group or new to our page. My name is Amy Miller, and my husband and I, we are the founders of 3 Life Essentials. And we are committed to serving you, those who are wanting to up level in your life, wanting to experience life more freely and fully, and bonus if we can do it naturally, right? So if we can help address things that we need in our everyday lives. And we are traveling full time with our family in a fifth wheel trailer and with our 3 boys. And we originally started traveling from Houston, Texas, but we are currently in the small town of Red Bluff, California. If you're not familiar with where that is, it's actually only about an hour outside of where the current fire situation is. And so we have been using the Breathe. We have many wellness advocates and customers who have been helping us pass these out to rescue workers and to linemen and to those firefighters out there, and people who are working to be able to put these in their masks. So if you're not familiar with this oil, it gives you a little bit of an idea of how we use this oil, and then also with the On Guard as well. So I'll tell you, the On Guard, the protective blend, the oils that are in this blend of essential oils is wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And combined, these are a powerhouse. In fact, if you like science and you want the nitty gritty, you can go to pubmed.gov, and you can find actually some research that has been done on the oils in this individually, as well as the On Guard. This is what the oil I feel like that has made doTERRA famous. Okay, not the only thing, but this is one oil that has definitely made it famous. And we have actually been using this oil even more so since we've been traveling than even when we did before, because we no longer have a dishwasher. Our hands are a dishwasher. Anybody else in that situation? Comment below if with hands, or put a little hands emoji if that's who you are in your house. Maybe you don't have a dishwasher, or maybe you prefer to wash dishes by hand. I want to see if there's any fellow hand dishwashers around here. And so this is actually one way that we help to sanitize and keep our dishes clean, just like we would in a dishwasher. So we actually rinse them. And so we're using this even, that's not the only way we use this oil, but this is one way. So aromatically though, you can pop a couple of drops of this oil into, I got to turn it off first, into a diffuser. And you can just put a couple of drops and it will actually disperse this oil into the air, cleaning the air and actually making it healthier for you. Cleaning the air and getting rid of all that stuff that you don't want floating around in the air. Okay, turning that back on because I have my On Guard and my Breathe diffusing in my diffuser day. Aromatically, you can also just breathe it right out of the bottle. I like also using it topically, especially during the winter season. You can put it right on your throat, or we like to put them convenient. If it's not convenient, you're not going to use it. So we actually put it in a little roller bottle like this. We just put drops in here, put it in a roller bottle, open it up, and you can actually apply it to your body topically during the winter season to help keep your body healthy throughout the winter season. And then we also, I love using this in like a drop and a teaspoon of honey internally to really soothe and coat the throat. The clove in here acts as an analgesic, so it can really kind of soothe an irritated throat and also help fight anything that's going on there as well. So, and then your Breathe. How many of you love your Breathe? Hello, Christina. Good to see you on here. I can't see any comments. We'll see. I totally forgot to push live in our BOGO group. Hello to those of you in the BOGO group. I thought we were live this whole time. So briefly, we're talking about the On Guard and the Breathe blend. Look at the bling here on these. They totally deserve all the bling, don't they, you guys? Okay, so those of you who love your Breathe, comment below. This is the respiratory blend. We have also been using this like mad since the air quality around us is not very good right now, but especially as we go into the winter season, as we have a tendency to get stuffier noses, things like that. This is really great to use. Oh, it's saying I have a terrible connection, so I may have to do my video again in there. Okay, that's okay. We're going to move on. So this is actually a daily oil in our home. We love diffusing this at night. You'll love putting this in that diffuser at night and putting this at night so that you can breathe a little bit more easily. And does your chest ever feel like tight or constricted? Here's how you can use this Breathe during those times. I'm going to show you. You're going to put a drop in the palm of your hand. So this is those times when you're feeling like really tight and really constricted. You can put that drop of palm in your hands and you can make a little fist right here with your hand, and you can breathe it in through your mouth or also your nose. And you can just feel that entering into your lungs. And I love it. Hey, Mandy, glad you guys are joining. Okay, so, or if you're working out and exercising, going to the gym, just before you do, in fact, before we went on our hike yesterday, put a drop in the palm, put a little bit on your chest, and breathing that in will really help open up your airways and really help you to get a much better exercise, especially when you're trying to oxygenate your body, right? So, also those times when you might be feeling a little bit more panicked or anxious about something, this will actually, you can take this and actually breathe it in, and it will actually help you slow down that breathing pattern, get a deeper breath with your oil. Hey, Shelly, good to see you on here. So now if you're just joining us, make sure you go back to the beginning because I'm talking a little bit more about, sorry you guys, those are on the BOGO deals group. I got a little bit, I forgot to push the live button for you guys. So, so you're just catching this, but also topically, you can even put this if you're getting a little drippy with congestion and things, you can swipe a little bit under your nose and just get a much better breath. I've been diffusing this oil all day, but believe it or not, I have not done it topically, and oh my gosh, I so needed that. Okay, so I love those ways that you can use this. Now these are, now the breathe one is typically not intended for using it internally, but you're on guard. You can use it aromatically like the ways that I showed you guys in the diffuser, or right out of the bottle. I'm going to turn it off here again so you guys can see. You can put it right in your diffuser and have it disperse into the air, killing off things, cleaning the air. You're going to want to use this anytime somebody in your family is exposed to something, or especially during the winter season. You guys, it smells like fall in a bottle. And getting a much better night's sleep too with your breathe when you're not so stuffy and congested. So there's a couple of ways to order this BOGO. If you already have your own account with doTERRA, which most of you do, you can actually go onto your account, just log in. You can order up to 5 of these per account, and all you'll do is you'll put your On Guard in the cart and the breathe will automatically pop in there. Okay, order it. Here's a tip for you, little bonus tip. Order it on your loyalty rewards program because you'll still get all of your shipping back in your points, and you can save those for future. It's like putting cash in your own little doTERRA bank account there. And customers and wellness advocates get all the oils for the same prices. So you can just order that. If you you can also get your own, this is a great week to get your own account, and then you can get all of the BOGO deals at the discounted prices, or you can order these retail. So there's different ways that you can do that. Just reach out to your wellness advocate, and they can just let them know that you'd like that day's BOGO and how many you want, and they can give you options for ordering and things like that too. So now if you're watching this, just tag the wellness advocate at the bottom if you want to find out how you can just pay the wholesale prices. Hi, Michelle. Good to see you on here as well. Now, I'm going to sign off on our 3 Life Essentials brand page, and I'm going to continue on with you guys in the VIP BOGO group because I'm going to show you guys an easy, I'm talking easy, you guys, an easy DIY that you can do with your Breathe oil. In fact, we're going to be sharing DIYs inside this group for you guys all week long. Now, if you're not a part of this group, and you want to be connected below, just comment below, you guys, though, on our Facebook page. Just comment below with add me, and we'll make sure to get you added because this group is available to members and non-members alike. And we're giving away this Iris travel diffuser today inside the BOGO group. So we'll do that, and come on and join us over there, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And you guys hang on with me because I'm going to show you this cool DIY, okay?